How's it going, everyone? This is Ryan from Eye Catching Coral, and this is ECC in 2 minutes. In today's video, we're going to be going over aquacultured Montipora frags and mother colonies, wild bubble coral colonies, Australian branching hammer, and neon green long polyp Australian gonipora. While these are just a small selection of what we currently have available, we've got beautiful varieties and large quantities of each. We're very proud to release our brand new eye-catching coral slime time grafted Montipora Digitata frags. These are naturally grafted, and we've been growing them out over the last couple of years. We find them to grow in very random color growth patterns, unlike the grafted Montipora cap counterparts, which tend to have veins of color that run throughout the colony in a man-made growth pattern. These digitatas can grow red or green at any part of the colonies, and we guarantee each and every frag sold to have both desirable colors. We're also aquaculturing a wide variety of other Montipora strains. Here's a look at a few of the many aquacultured Montipora that we currently have to offer. To see a complete list of what is available currently, check out our online ordering system. This week, as always, we have a great selection of wild coral colonies. In stock, we currently have over 1,371 pieces of coral from Australia and Indonesia. Here's a look at just a few of the highlighting items we currently have available. Our bubble coral are an outstanding offering. They're vibrant in color, and we make sure that they are extremely healthy before we offer them for sale due to their sensitive nature. Our Australian long polyp gonipora are a more common item, but they're still outstanding. We find them to be the most hardy gonipora, they have a low price point, and the way that they move in the water column make them great to own for the average hobbyist. Branching Australian hammer are the most vibrant and hardy of our Euphyllia offerings. Here's a look at the different color strains we are currently offering this week. Our WYSIWYG section continues to be a great place for those of you looking for specific items. This week we have a tremendous selection of new pieces available. Weekly shipments continue to roll in. This week we're expecting a large Indonesian coral shipment from one of our industry-leading coral suppliers. You can look for that on our website early next week. Now is a great time to stock up before shipping weather becomes less predictable. That's all for this week's video. From all of us here at Eye Catching Coral, we look forward to sending you a great order.